Hey, what's up guys? I just wanted to make a quick video about this. I've got a fuel sending unit on a 72 Dodge Coronet Wagon Charger. The fuel gauge seems to not be reading properly, but I took the lead off there, probed it with the power probe, and it does have voltage coming to it. While it was connected to that, I hit the ground, and you could see the gauge actually go up like it's full. So the problem is it's not getting the ground, and what the issue I think is there's a grounding strap that goes from here to here. It's a little piece of metal that kind of just snaps on or clamps on to these areas. And the problem is this thing is so corroded with rust. You can see I'm putting it to ground right there and it's not doing anything. But I got some plumber's emery cloth, sanding cloth, and just sanded those spots. And you see now that I did that, I've got plenty of ground here. And I'm letting the ground strap soak in the rust fighter, the rust eater stuff, I'm sorry. And I think it's gonna take all that corrosion off there. I'm gonna snap the ground strap back on there and see if that solves my problem. So if you've got the same issue, before you get into changing out your sending unit, you might want to check and make sure you got good ground. Because another experiment that I did was pop the cap open, went inside there with a plastic rod and just moved the sending unit up and down, and I could see it on the dash. It was actually moving, so I know the gauge is good. It responds when it has proper electricity. The problem, I think, like I said, was the ground. Because again, you can go all along this whole thing here. You can't get a ground for shit. Can't get a ground, can't get a ground. But as soon as you touch the new spots where I just sanded that down, ground mammy. But I checked it before with the ground strap on there, and there was really no ground whatsoever. So I think this is going to solve my issue. I'll keep you updated.